Hey everybody, welcome back to Tiffany's Loc Jewels. It's so good to see you guys again. It hasn't been too long because I promised you guys that I would be trying to be regular on YouTube and just general social media. So I just wanted to let you guys see my hair. I have finally changed my color. I have another video on that, so feel free to pull it up. It should say Loc Color Transformation. You'll definitely find it. And the loctician that did my color was Fallon Avery at Essence of Locks in Garland, Texas. So you'll definitely have to look her up, and I will have her information below. So I just wanted to come on here today just to show you guys some of my new jewelry that's been released from Rustic Romance and what is to come in vintage glam. So I am wearing on the right side this jewel called In the Field. So it seems to have been a bestseller so far. It's been selling well, I'd say. The next one is Amber Romance, which I feel is a fairly unique piece because it's got these squared hematites here, and then it has like this mixture of agate and carnelian along with this. I'm trying to think of the name of this piece right here, but it kind of reflects, so I hope you can see it. I'll try to put the name there, but it's something really unique. I never used this in any of my jewelry before, so I was really pleased to find it. And it goes well with the type of outfit I may be wearing today, like some amber, some burnt oranges, that type of thing, brown. Let's see what else I've got here. I have, let's see. Oh, I have this little pearl. I have a little pearl piece. I have in the Vintage Glam Collection one that's like an ivory pearl coming up also. So this is a really pretty piece. I was really happy. I kind of stumbled upon this this pearl because I've just kind of been working with more of like the Baroque pearls and then the smaller rice type pearls, potato size coin, but I hadn't really found these kind. I hadn't considered these for locks, for lock jewelry. So I was really happy. I bought a few of these, so you guys will be seeing this. I even have like a silver one. So look forward to these, and it doesn't have a name yet. So those are vintage glam, so it's not released, and that doesn't have a name. Once I do have it, I will definitely put it below. Then I have, let's see what else, this little cuff. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna keep this on this, if I'm gonna have this on the site, or I might modify it. This might be modified. It's like in revision, And then let's see what we've got. I have, let's see. Let me just see if I can find. Oh, there's one up here called Chivalrous. Chivalrous. See if I can find it. Yes, this one. And it's available in silver, gold, and copper. So it's a very simple piece. It should be something that kind of just is like an everyday piece. So that one probably will sell pretty good with some of the other just regular plain, gold pieces. Then I have the Queen's Choice. Yes, this is the Queen's Choice. So this is already live on the website, ready to buy. You can get it in, this one's in gold, but you can get it in the vintage bronze, copper, silver, colors. The original color that I chose was vintage bronze. So that's like the signature piece of this particular stone. Or jewel. I just happen to be wearing the gold, you know, for now. But the bronze is really the best. The bronze, and I'd say the copper. Those are the best ones in my opinion. Then I have on this side, I've got some interesting pieces. This little flower, this one is one that I'm going to try to recreate. It was pretty difficult to make. So if I can recreate this will be on Vintage Glam. I'm going to try to recreate this one. But it's a little flower and I really like it. And my assistant, she thinks that I should definitely make it and keep it. Let's see. I have Intertwined. This is one of my favorite pieces. This one's called Intertwined. And what I like about this is it can be worn this way, or you can flip it around and wear it this type of way and have the full part on the bottom. So either way, you should really like it. And just like the name, Intertwined. And so all the pieces, the names are synonymous with the collection, you know, Rustic Romance, which kind of like has a romantic feel, but also royal and medieval. So it's kind of like a whole composite of romance, you know, across the board, like different, you know, generations, different seasons of time, periods, you know. Then I have Scenic. No. This one's a new one that will be with Vintage Glam. It's like Zigzag #1. It doesn't have a name. It will be coming soon. And then there's another zigzag type piece. This one will be in Vintage Glam soon. But what is released is Scenic Route. And I think, yep, this is Scenic Route. And I hope you guys can see this one. This one's available also silver, bronze, or silver, copper, and gold. And the same thing with Intertwined. And so both of these are available for in all the same colors, the copper, gold, silver. And that's it, just those 3 colors for these. And these are also called Slim Thick. So they're thicker, the wire's thicker than the normal one, the normal size. So it's like a slim thick. It's just a fun play on words, really, just to show that it's a thicker jewel. Let's see what else I might have. That might be it. No, I think that might be it for, let me see. This one's probably the same one I had before. Yeah, I think that's about it. I know there was, there's the Grand Trio in here, which is free right now for those who ordered during Juneteenth this weekend. But I think by the time this is uploaded, the free offer will pass. But there'll be more free offers next month. So just stay tuned, get on my mailing list. There's gonna be more free offers next month and like throughout the year. Like I'm gonna be doing a lot more free offers. One free offer coming up is probably gonna be the hair tie, a free hair tie. So I'm not saying it will be next month, but it will be coming soon. So I think I covered all the jewels, you know, Intertwined, Scenic Route, Chivalrous, In the Field, Amber Romance, Queen's Choice, the Grand Trio, and then there's the flower little piece that I hope to recreate, Zigzag 1, Zigzag 2, and then a solid band cuff. So what I like about the way I've worn it is that even though I have so many in my hair, it doesn't look like it's too much. Like, it really just doesn't look like it's too much. And normally, would I always wear this many? Probably not. Probably not. But I probably wear at least half of them in my hair at all times. So those of you guys who want to see real quick, see any other angles. So that's it. And you guys have to, those of you who didn't see my last video, let me know how you like the color change. I'm really happy with it. I think Fallon did an excellent job, and I look forward to going back to her again. So anyways, stay tuned for Vintage Glam. I'm gonna stop messing with my hair. It's like you know how it is when you have locks, you're always messing in them. Stay tuned for Vintage Glam. And after that, I'm gonna be taking a break. The site is not gonna shut down or anything like that, but I'll just be taking a break from creating for a little while. As far as the bottles and the other hair products, they are coming back. I know that right now, depending upon when you view this video, that side of the business is on hold because I'm changing warehouses. And so right now, everything's just shut down. I'm not able to mail from my home office at this point in time, but it will be back up for sure, along with the shampoo and the Loc Drench set. So those are coming back. So if you guys, I want to provide them for you as soon as possible. So just be patient with me. But like I said, they're coming back. I just need to be able to rectify a few things and just kind of get squared away with a new warehouse, so that the process can go a little bit better with the mailing process. But anyways, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and follow me on Instagram at tiffany'sloc.com. Check out the new models and the fresh faces. There's 2 models for Vintage Glam, 2 models for Rustic Romance. I'm hoping to do kind of like a little semi photo shoot at some point in time, just to get my face out there and get a couple shots of some jewels. But I feel like the video, just doing it by video too, is great for you guys, because you can actually see it in my hair with movement, you know, so that's, even to me, sometimes can be better. So anyways, guys, I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Oh, bye.